front of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings and tap on display right away. Now you need to scroll down a bit and tap on easy mode. Then click on easy mode here and choose apply. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to click on settings, then scroll down, choose display and click on easy mode over here. Then select standard and tap on apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!